Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lenovo 300 USB mouse. Let's quickly take a look at what information is available on the box before we move into the unboxing part. You can say it's written here that this particular optical mouse has wired optical mouse and a 1600 DPI. That's the upper cap, we're assuming, and that's more or less it. There is no other specific information written over here. Let's quickly take a look what's inside. This is your wired mouse. A pretty decent cable length, looks like 1.2 meters. And let's leave it here. Pretty standard mouse as well. Has a nice matte black finish. Actually, looks a little classy. Has a splash of color right over here. As you can see, it has nice matte black finish. Has a splash of color over here. It's a standard mouse. Left click, right click, middle button click, and your scroll wheel all at the same time. And what else can we find here? Let's see what else is there in the box. Couple of documents. This is your service support and warranty information. Very important document. You should not lose it. And this over here, I am assuming, is your Lenovo 300. This is your product information. That's it. That's all you will find inside the box containing the Lenovo 300 USB wired mouse. Thank you for watching.